Welcome back, Pioneers. This is your weekly recap of the biggest Pi network updates you don't want to miss. First up, big news for accessibility. Onramp Money is now live, making it possible for Pioneers in over 60 countries to purchase Pi directly with local payment methods and currency. So here's how it works in short. So whitelist or activate your Pi wallet and copy your Pi address. Head over to Onramp.money and buy Pi and complete your KYC. Paste your wallet address, choose your payment method and pay. So just a quick warning, make sure your Pi wallet address is whitelisted before purchasing, so fees and payment methods will vary depending on your country, and of course only use official links. Never share your passphrase or seed with anyone. I already have a step-by-step video tutorial on how to purchase Pi through Onramp Money, so check that out if you need the full walkthrough. Now for our second major update. Pi Network is officially a gold sponsor at TOKEN2049 Singapore 2025, one of the biggest Web3 and cryptocurrency conferences in the world with over 25,000 plus attendees. This is massive for Pi's credibility and future adoption. As a gold sponsor, Pi is putting itself on the same stage as a major crypto giants, and this could open doors to exchange listings, partnerships, and ecosystem growth. Community reactions so far have been overwhelmingly positive, with many calling this a game changer for Pi's mainstream adoption. And honestly, I agree. This move signals that Pi Network is ready to be taken seriously on a global scale. Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let us know which country you are buying Pi from. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a Pi Network update.